Hello and welcome to another Nomad. I'm Kurs. Today I'm in Croatia, north in the country, in a town just outside of town, Rijeka. Today I was thinking of making a video about cooking and showing you some of my equipment. So I'm gonna put my equipment to the test and make some food. What I got a Jetboil, and I got SeaToSummit for the plates, and I got MSR for kitchen equipment. And I've only used the Jetboil for boiling water, and I hope it works perfectly to make some food as well. And I brought a full set with pots and pans, but I've not used it. So this is basically the first time I'm going to use the pan. So, and I've not used it on the Jetboil. So I hope it works. The Jetboil for boiling water is perfect. It goes so quickly. So let's see if this works. Put it on there. Nice. Okay, we have to be a little bit careful. Yeah. Maybe this video is going to end in disaster. I don't know. Put myself a plate, so that's perfect. And this, I'm gonna move this away a little bit. This MSR set is actually very nice. So it has everything you need for camping. So you can cut your bread, and I've added some. Oops! Oh yeah, I see. This is gonna be a disaster. So yeah, I just need to cross my fingers. I just had some Tabasco added to it, and let's see here for my eggs. Oops. Some ketchup. This set is awesome. It has everything you need. Hand sanitizer as well, so it may be nice before you make food. Be extra clean. Okay. So now the show starts, I guess. Trying this out. I just hope I don't mess it up. Maybe. I think it's gonna be good. So a little bit of oil. A bit more. So let's start this up. Where is it? There it is. Okay, so it's burning. I think actually I need to hold this. Yeah. I need to check. Oops. Yeah, it's so fast. Whoa. I think I gotta cut the video because I need to set it up because it's gonna fall off. So I'm gonna make this into 2 videos. So let's see you in a bit. Okay, welcome back. So I moved my Jetboil down to the ground in case of emergency. I don't want to have I don't want to have food all over me. So I'm gonna make 2 eggs. So, eggs and sausages a la hers on camping is served. Nice. Turn this off. And that's it. My dinner is ready and I'm ready to eat. So, see you again soon. Bye bye.